Hey there! In this video, we'll look at how to publish reports to the user library, along with approving them if you're an administrator. Please note that not all organizational roles will have the ability to clone, publish, or approve reports, and this is dependent on how you have IntelliBoard configured. This video assumes that a non-administrator account, such as an instructor, is creating a new report to be published, which is then approved by an administrator account. So we will be showing two different accounts in this video. Starting off with our instructor, we're in the library. Let's say that there's a report that you think you can make some great changes to that will help out your colleagues across the institution. So to start off, let's choose a report to clone. Remember from our previous videos that cloning is similar to save as. It creates a copy of the dataset that you can edit. So I'm just going to use the Course Learner Risk Points Summary, which will pop up this window just letting us know what we're doing and asking us to confirm, but also giving us the opportunity to give this data set a new name. And it's a good idea to go ahead and change that to something more descriptive that'll let us know you made changes to a library report. When you're finished, go ahead and click Clone. This will open up the report editor. Now here you can change any number of things, from data in the report to the colors, the formatting, or even adding new aggregations. But for the sake of time and simplicity, let's stick to minimal editing. We already gave it a new name. Let's give it a new description. On the top left of the report editing window, click Settings. Once again, plenty of things that we can change here, but let's just give it a simple description and then change the preview image so we can easily spot it in the library. When you're done, click Continue to Preview. Now, since we're not changing any of the data elements in this report, go ahead and click Save. This will create a local copy in this individual user's My Datasets. So how can they share this with everyone else? Well, up on the top right, you'll see a Publish button. Publish can be thought of as the internal share button. This makes a particular dataset available to other users in this IntelliBoard account. Clicking Publish will pop up a window just asking to confirm that you want to add it to the library. And depending on your org role permissions, the report will either become available in every other user's library or be sent for approval to an account that does have the permissions to publish. So like I mentioned when we started, this account doesn't have publishing permissions, so the report has been sent to a queue under an administrator. Let's switch accounts to that administrator and take a look at what the publishing approval process looks like. So I've swapped accounts here and we can see our brand new report sitting in the top left of the screen with a little pending tag on it. Now this account was sorted to show newest reports already, but if you have any trouble locating a pending dataset, just take a look at these filter and sort options. They could help out. Regardless, once you find the report you need to approve, click it or click the three-dot menu to open it up. And you'll notice that our buttons on the top right have changed. We have the option to decline publishing the report to the library, approve publishing the report to the library, or edit to make some changes before it goes out. Now, I don't think you guys came all this way to see me decline publishing a report, so I'm going to go ahead and click Approve. Once again, we'll get a pop-up asking us to confirm our choice. And once you click Approve, you'll be sent back to the library, where we can take a look and make sure that the report is published. But wait, you said, I approved the report to be published to the library, except my instructors still can't see it. Only the instructor that created the report can still view it. What is going on here? Little bit of a known issue, but with IntelliBoard's permissioning system, you as an administrator will need to assign the report to an org roles library. So you need to head into Manage Org Roles, find the organizational role that you want to assign the report to, so in other words, make it available to them in their library. Luckily for me, my org role is just my name. So on the Edit Org Rules screen, head down to the Datasets, Calculations, and Inform tab. And this is where all the datasets that are available in this Org Rules library are activated or deactivated. Let's just search for the one we created, hit the checkbox next to it, and of course, click Save Changes when you're done. So now everyone in the org role should have access to this particular dataset in their library. So that's publishing. If you have any further questions on the topics that were covered today, head over to our knowledge base and check out our other videos on getting around IntelliBoard. Thanks for watching.